Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a new mining platform, Inferium AI. This is a very good platform, guys. The ultimate AI infrastructure hub for variable inference and agent. You will be rewarded for your creation, performance, and feedback. This is a very wonderful platform that we are able to join. This platform has 94,200 and 202 followers, and it's going to be a very massive one. So guys, all you have to do is to watch this video to the end as I guide you through the process on how to create an account on this platform. So guys, I've dropped the details on how to create an account on this platform on our Telegram channel. Here is the step. I'll just explain to you, then I'll move on to the login platform. You have to click on the link in the description. Then once you click on that link, you provide your email address, you verify your email address. Once you tap on verify button, log into your email address, guys. Enter the code sent to your email address in the space provided. Once you've done that, guys, then you need to click on the end info, complete all the tasks, which I will also guide you in this video. So guys, you can do this on your mobile device using your Kiwi browser, Mrs. browser, or you do that on your laptop using your normal Chrome browser. So once you log into this platform, it comes up like this. Then go ahead and tap on this three dot button. Once tap on the three dot button, let me start by tapping on the home button. Tapping on the home button brings to this interface. You have access to all these interfaces, as you can see. Now tap on this three line at the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on the first button here is tap on refer button. Once tap on refer button, you need to generate your refer code, which is very simple. And this way is very simple. You need to type in your username in this be provided and tap on submit button. You'll be able to generate your refer code. Now that I've generated your refer code, share it with family, friends on social media. Then go ahead and tap on the third line again. Then tap on end button. Once tap on that end button, it comes up like this. Now what you need to do, guys, is very simple. The first thing, you have to come over and tap on checking daily. You see I've checked, I've got one Inferium points. Then in order to get more points on this platform, is very simple. You need to join the Telegram group. So tap on connect button, join Telegram group, guys, and get 10 points. You can do that on your own. Then tap on the Twitter, follow them on Twitter, you get 10 points. Then join on Discord, guys, you get 10 points for joining Discord account on this platform. Then write comment about this on group, guys, you get 100 points. These are what you can do on your own. Then you subscribe to their Telegram channel, you get 10 points. Then you answer some QC, guys, you get 1 point. Then win 3 epic quiz to earn 5 points. These are what you can do on this platform, guys, to earn more points for yourself. So this is very simple to do, guys. Just join that and do that. Then the next thing is to come over and connect your wallet. Once you come over and connect your wallet, then tap on profile button. Once tap on profile button, it comes up like this. Then you need to connect your wallet under profile button. Once connect your wallet, guys, you get more important points on this platform. So don't miss out on this important mining project. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video, and if you don't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Tap the channel icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important update on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.